As an investor or a trader, the greatest favor or the best thing you can ever do to yourself is to make sure you leverage on different financial instruments. When I say as a trader or an investor, I mean if you are into stock investing, you are into crypto trading or investing, you should do yourself the greatest favor by leveraging on different financial instruments. Don't just stick and rely to one financial instrument, okay? So now this is silver, okay? This is my Royal Q bot, okay? The bot is trading crypto for me, all right? While I leverage on other financial instruments. So as you can see, this is silver, all right? Silver has been pumping for months now because this is the monthly time frame, okay? This is silver chart and this is the monthly time frame, okay? So each candlestick stands for 1 month, okay? So for months it has been what? Bullish, upward movement. Now I will show you other financial instruments too. So before that, let me show you gold. This is gold right here, okay? So you can see that the price is different, okay? So gold price is $5,000 plus. So you can see gold for months it has been what? Bullish. All right, now let me show you S&P 500. This is indices, okay? For months too, this has been bullish, okay? So take note, okay? Another financial instrument, this is indices as well, okay? Same thing with S&P 500. You can see it's bullish, like they're under the same umbrella. So let me show you another one, indices too, okay? For months it has been what? Bullish. US 30, for months it has been bullish, green, okay? Now let me show you another one. These are forex pair, okay? Let's forget about forex pairs. Let's take a look at Bitcoin, okay? Yeah, so this is Bitcoin, okay? So you can see the Bitcoin chart is a little bit different from the other ones I just showed you, okay? So you can see that Bitcoin has been bullish, it has been going up, and it got to this point, it started dropping, coming down, okay? So who knows how long it's gonna keep dropping? No one knows, but from what I'm seeing on the chart, Bitcoin is actually at a current support, strong support level. It's currently at a strong support level, okay? So you can see for months Bitcoin price has been dropping, bearish, okay? So this is one of the major reasons why you must try to leverage on different financial instruments. So if you are an investor, okay, all right, or a trader, if there is no opportunity in the crypto space or crypto market, you can go to the indices market or the commodities market and make money there, okay? Let me show you another crypto coin, ETH, under the same financial market. So you can see ETH has been what? Going down as well for months. It has been dumping, it has been bearish for months. So, and if Bitcoin and ETH has been bearish, okay, for months, what do you expect altcoins like BNB, Link, Atom, like all those other altcoins, what do you expect them to do? They're also going to be dumping. They'll be going down until we start seeing green candle. Until we start seeing green candle on the Bitcoin monthly chart. Okay, those altcoins will remain bearish. So, but immediately we start seeing Bitcoin pumping, there will be hope for altcoins. All right. So, but for now, that Bitcoin is still bearish. There is no hope for altcoins. So now let's go to stock market, right? Stocks. Let's use Tesla as an example. As you can see, the stock market also is about getting bearish. Okay? Because as you can see right here on the screen, we've started seeing red candles on the monthly time frame. Okay, the previous month was red, bearish. Now this same month too is about to do what? Become bearish. Okay, and I have it set up here. Okay, I want to short Tesla. Okay, so if this monthly candle that is printing does not break above this previous candle, we are definitely going to keep seeing massive dump on Tesla. All right, so let's check another asset, Nvidia. You can see this has been bullish. Okay, but with what I can see right here, look at this. Currently this is ranging because there is no close break above this candle. Okay, so it has been ranging for months, for 3 good months. This has been consolidating. Okay, so which simply means the price could break above this or it could break below. All right, so and if it breaks below, that signifies that there is gonna be a massive dump as well. Okay, because the monthly time frame is very powerful to the extent that whatever you see on the monthly time frame, it's legit, it's confirmed. So if you start seeing red candles the first month, second month, third month on the monthly time frame, just know that the market has turned bearish. And when I mean red candle, like first month, second month, third month, like there's no green candle in between, know that the market is bearish. Okay, so it could be that it's actually, it could be a pullback or whatever. All right, so like Bitcoin, okay, for Bitcoin, it's actually a pullback. Okay, so it will get to a point whereby the price will fly to start pumping again. Okay, so but I really hope you get what I'm trying to tell you. Okay, leveraging on different financial instruments. Okay, when one is not performing well, you don't have to force yourself or stick to it to look for opportunity when there is no opportunity for you to make money. You look for the market that has the opportunity for you to make money. Okay, just like in real world, we have different markets and we have different market days. Okay, so market A day could be on Friday, market B day would be on Wednesday, and you know that, okay, if you go to market A on, let's say, Tuesday, Monday, you are not going to find something reasonable or tangible to buy that very day, except when it is market heyday, which is Friday. So you have to wait for market A day, which is Friday, before you go shopping to buy whatever you want to buy, and you're likely going to get those things at an affordable rate. So you see that you wait, or you go to market B. Okay, and you know market B day is Wednesday. So you go to market B to shop to get whatever you want. So that's exactly how this thing works. So I really hope you find this video helpful. If so, make sure you like, comment, and share. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Until next time, peace out.